Tired of jumping through hoops to buy Bitcoin? Frustrated with endless paperwork and invasive identity checks? Introducing Bitcoin Ben Crypto Club's loan program. No KYC required. Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to freedom. Borrow up to $250,000 at as little as 7% interest. Join our community and take control of your financial future. Bitcoin Ben Crypto Club, where privacy meets opportunity. Connect with like-minded individuals and grow together. Visit us today and unlock your $250,000 Bitcoin loan. Your journey to financial freedom starts here.
Are we on? Are we live? We are live. Good morning, everybody. It's your favorite truck driver, ex-truck driver in the whole wide world, Bitcoin Ben. Here for the daily. What in the pluck is going on with cryptocurrencies, folks? Well, I can tell you what's going on. Told you yesterday. I'm going to tell you again. Some of my bitches are buying it like crazy. What I want to know is who is the dumbasses selling it? No, I know who is selling it. It's the traders. And I don't mean traders like the Democrats. I mean traders like the swing traders. This is how it works, folks. As the traders trade, the hodlers, remember, the hodling percentage is up around 80-something percent, 86%. That means 80% of the Bitcoin that's being purchased right now is being held for at least a year. At least a year. 40 to 60% of that 80-something percent will be held for longer than 5 years. Oh, hang on a second. Let me check the microphone audio. Oh, you're right. You are right. There we go. Thank you. See, Rick is not only the channel historian, he's also my sound guy. Thanks, Rick. Okay, now that I'm close, I want to tell you guys something. This is a secret. Don't tell anybody. You guys should probably go out and buy Bitcoin. I'm just saying, you should buy Bitcoin. Okay, now that we got the secret shit taken care of, don't tell nobody. I told you that. All right. Let me explain what's going on right now. Just yesterday, 7 public companies announced they are selling shares to buy Bitcoin. Yesterday. Word is on my Telegram channel that I am a member of, they got about 9 companies announcing tomorrow. And listen to me right now. Right now, we're sitting at about 80 public companies across the globe that are selling shares and buying Bitcoin, or they are using reserves and buying Bitcoin. About 80. By the end of this month, that's gonna be 160. It's gonna double 1 month. That's a 100% increase in 1 month. Then what happens in 2 months? Does it double again? I think not quite, but probably close. Oh yes, please smash the likes and join the channel. Hit like and subscribe, please. It's right under here, you lazy sons of bitches. Let's go through some stuff here. Now, I showed you yesterday. Hold on a second. Entire screen. You go to here. All right, we're going to go right here, over to here, and over to here. Okay. Just in, public AI company Next Technologies reveals it bought 5,000 Bitcoin for $180 million this March. Folks, you're going to hear more about this because a lot of the companies, listen to me now, hear me out now, give me a second now. A lot of the companies aren't announcing. They aren't saying, oh, tomorrow we're going to buy some Bitcoin. Could y'all kind of push the price up for us, please? No, they're quietly buying, using the bots, using the buying bots. Folks, over the next month, this is going to double. Double. Did you hear what I said? I said double. That's like if you got 100-pound woman and you double her, you got a 200-pound woman. That's a lot of woman. Just saying. You got a 250, 300, 400-pound woman. That's a lot of woman. I bet you she knows how to cook, though. Don't know how the hell I got off on this friggin' topic, but I'm just saying. If we got 80 companies right now, and within a month, we're going to have 160, then in 2 months, we'll probably have 350, 400. Imagine by the end of the year, right? Let's play this out some. Let's say at the end of this year, we have 2,000 companies that are purchasing more Bitcoin, or they are selling shares and buying more Bitcoin. The point is, they're all buying Bitcoin. Then I hear on Bloomberg earlier, and I tried to rewind it and hit pause. It didn't work out for me. They said, well, we have the reason that Coinbase is so important on moving in. And hey, Brian Armstrong, congratulations on joining the S&P 500. Now, why is this important? Why is it important that Coinbase, you guys know how I feel about Coinbase, but I digress. What makes it important is now most of the 401ks will actually purchase the S&P 500 index. That means Coinbase is going to be in a lot of retirement funds. This is what is so amazing, is we are rocking and rolling on this. It dropped to 101 yesterday. Guess what I did? I bought more. Now it's at 104 or something like that. Hang on, let me check. All right, 103.3, great radio station here in St. Louis, Clue FM, classic rock. Yep, Folks, we are just going up. We are just going up. That's what makes this amazing. That's what makes this awesome. That's what makes this great. Guys, like I said yesterday, this is an industry now. This is a critical part of the global economy. Now, today at 3 o'clock Central Time, I'm doing a live interview with one of my friends from Hawaii named Allgaier, Dick Allgaier. He's a remote viewer, a legendary remote viewer. This guy knows his cheat. And he sent me a text this morning, and he's like, Ben, I'm going to announce something on your show, and I'm going to break it down, and it's going to be a drop the mic moment. When you have a remote viewer, now mind you, that's this guy's job. It isn't like he's a hobby remote viewer. All right? This ain't his side gig. It's what he do. And he has actually done it for governments, private corporations, for Cliff High. I mean, these guys, the future forecasters team, deadly accurate. Just amazingly accurate. I can't wait to hear what he has to say. Plus, I haven't really talked to him. God, I'm trying to remember the last time I talked to him was probably a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years ago. I don't even remember. But at 3 o'clock Central today, come back to this channel and watch that interview. This is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. I cannot express. Here, let me show you another one. Let's add to the stage. Let's go to the next one. All right, now, listen to this. Let me open this up.
Truly becoming a mainstream asset in the capital markets. And, I want to say thank you to Michael Saylor for pioneering that effort. But, we are wanting to take it to the next level. So, flattery is the best form of compliment. So, we are MicroStrategy Squared. What we are trying to do is build a portfolio of Bitcoin treasury companies in capital markets globally. We want to have one vehicle that investors can buy in every major capital market. So we've already done deals in Japan, Hong Kong, but we're looking at new opportunities in Brazil, in Saudi Arabia, in UAE, in Turkey. If investors are excited about bringing Bitcoin to each of these capital markets and being a gateway for investors, we want to make Nakamoto the mothership where they can get access to these opportunities by being a shareholder of Nakamoto.
Okay, that's the CEO of the Bitcoin magazine who hosts the Vegas event. He's now launched a company called Nakamoto, which is basically like a hedge fund. His share, if you want exposure to Coinbase, let's see, like MicroStrategies, if you want to spread out and purchase all of those, you actually buy one of his shares. That's like a hedge fund where it holds a ton of actual different shares, and you reap the rewards of all of the shares. There's going to be more like this. There's going to be so many more like this. Guys, everyone is getting into the Bitcoin industry. Let me explain this. Everyone's launching companies. I'm freaking buying a bank. I already bought one in El Salvador. I'm also buying a hotel in El Salvador. I'm also launching clubs all over America. Right? I have one in Florida, one in Massachusetts, one in Tennessee, one in Texas, one in St. Louis, one in Las Vegas. Yeah, right there. Right? I was in the Nashville office a couple of weeks ago, Ben. Good people there. Absolutely. And that's why we're there, folks. We're there to help people. Thank you, Chris. This is an industry, folks. And what makes it all amazing? There's one thing at the center of the industry. There's Bitcoin. So on top of one thing, one technological advancement is launching thousands of companies. This is what's awesome. This is what is amazing. Right? We have exactly, Todd. Huge ecosystem. We haven't even scratched the surface yet. Yeah, it is. It's reaching a point, folks, where we're going to be, whether you realize it right now or not, we're going to be the largest industry in the world. I've had arguments with very intelligent IT people or AI people who they say, oh, AI is going to be the largest industry in the world. And I said, no. The Bitcoin is going to be the largest industry in the world because it is currency. It's the underlying asset of the monetary system. So everything that has value, right? Everything that has value, including AI, will be priced in Bitcoin. The Bitcoin will not be priced in AI. And as soon as I said that, he got it. He's like, oh, okay, yeah, I see what you're saying. Because it's what you price things in. Exactly. Bitcoin will save America. Yes, it will. And the world. Now, mind you, when you say the Bitcoin will save the world, no. You know who's really saving the world? Us. We are saving the world because the Bitcoin is only a tool, folks. It's only a tool. If you're at home and someone breaks into your home and you have a handgun right next to you, but you do not pick it up and protect your family, did the gun save your family? No. You have to pick it up and use it. It's only a tool. Without us, the industry and the community, the Bitcoin is just cute looking code. Just like a hammer, you ain't gonna build shit if you don't hit a nail with a hammer. But we have to hit the nail. And we're doing it, folks. We are building. That's what the clubs are about. That's what the resorts are about. That's what the bank is about. That's what all of this is about. And I have people ask me, Ben, why the hell are you doing this, man? You're always traveling. You're always working. Your phone is fucking going off 1,000 times a day. Why are you doing this? Because I would rather have a revolution this way than the alternative. Either we save the world this way, or that is not going to be a Bitcoin rocket. It's going to be an atomic bomb. It's going to be a nuke. We either save the world with this, or we end the world with that. Which way do you want to go, folks? I prefer, let's take over the world by offering them a better money. See, this is the only revolution that you don't even really have to market. It just kind of takes over. It's a progressive monetary revolution. That's what's amazing about it. Is it keeps going up. Oh, hang on a second. We have a naysayer. Chuck, I was unhappy with Bitcoin Ben's assumption that Bitcoin would hit 200K in one month last July. I am a Bitcoin bull, but don't buy the snake oil. So you're mad at me because I told you Bitcoin was going to go to $200,000 in a month, and it didn't. That's why you're mad. All right. Well, Bitcoin's going to go to $200,000 in a month. Screw it. I'm just gonna double down. All right. Starting now, Bitcoin's going to go to 200,000 in 1 month. If you're mad at me for not getting the price right, I'm okay with it. I don't want to give a shit. But I'm going in the right direction. Folks, what do you want me to say? Do you want me to say, Bitcoin is, it's okay. It's going up, folks. It's going up. And I understand. I understand. People want this to go up faster. Nothing wrong with that. You can want it. And I get like that too. That's probably why I called $200,000 in a month. Folks, if everyone knew what we knew, it'd be $200 million within a month. This is an education. This is an education. We're educating the public. Folks, I can remember when I had people just like Chuck, probably 6-7 years ago. Ben, you said Bitcoin would hit $10,000. It didn't. So I was wrong. Don't get me wrong, Chuck. I love you. I dollar cost average BTC every month, but I don't like people telling me it will be $200K in a month. Then don't fucking listen. Take your freedom finger and change channels. Because when you come to this show, when you're watching my show, all you're going to hear is positive. I'm going to tell you Bitcoin's going to $1 zillion in the next 27 seconds. And I'm not even wearing a watch. Do I know exactly what the price is going to be in a week? No, but I know it's up. And when I say up, I'm looking at from my point of view. When I first got into Bitcoin, it was $600. $600, folks. So from my point of view, we are way the fuck up. If you just got in this when it hit like 90,000, and you're looking at it from that point of view, yeah, you're like, man, well, it's up like 10 grand. It's not bad. I can remember when, folks, we fluctuate $3,000 to $4,000 to $5,000 a day. I can remember when Bitcoin would fluctuate $70 a day. And if it went up $70, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. I'm just telling you. This is all going up, folks. All of it. Because this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning of this. That's what's amazing. Is as long as we've all actually been watching this, as long as we've all actually been involved in this, it's just the beginning. We're only 15 years since this was created. We're only about 3 or 4 years since people started really taking it seriously. And this year and next year is the adoption phase of corporations and hedge funds and insurance companies. Hold 1 second. Word from the sponsor.
Are you buying and selling cryptos on the same laptop that you're using to browse the internet, read your email, and visit social media sites? If so, you're exposing your cryptos to theft. Whenever you're online, you're at risk of getting hacked and having your identity stolen. How would you feel if someone stole all of your cryptos? What would that do to your finances? Guard your cryptos with a safe and secure laptop from CALIX Solutions. Each laptop is set up just for you and your cryptos, and then we walk you through exactly how it works. Don't risk the security of your cryptos. Order a crypto laptop from CALIX Solutions now to secure your crypto future. Learn more at calixsolutions.io.
And we're back. Okay, so I'm basically just going to wrap up with this, guys. I'm bullish. We are off to the friggin' races. All right? And at our clubs and at our resorts and at our bank, we are fully going all in on Bitcoin. We are structuring this so that we aren't an option. We are the solution to the old system. You want to get rid of the old system, you have to have a new system, not just new, but you can't just have a new system. You have to have a much better system. And that's what we're building. That's what all of us are building. Raise your hand if you're going to be in Las Vegas. I will. Guys and gals, this is going to be amazing. And when I say this, when I say this is going to be amazing, what I'm talking about is your life. You're on the right track. You're wrapping your head around the future, and you're getting involved in the future early. Early adopters reap rewards. Westwood, what's up, brother? My brother from another mother. I will see you in Vegas, brother. I'll be there. Come check out our booth. And I want to do an interview with you, bro. Love you. Yeah, we got a celebrity in the house, Clint Westwood. So, everybody, look, the reason you watch this show is strictly for entertainment, education, and learning about the opportunities in the Bitcoin arena. Folks, welcome to the future. Welcome to the future. It's now. And it's going to continue to be now. We are going to rock and roll, kick ass, and watch the Bitcoin and the crypto world grow. We got maybe 4, maybe 5 years, maybe 10, long duration. And the whole world is going to be running on Bitcoin. A lot of it already is. Guys and gals, the future's now. Grab it and make the future your bitch. Okay, if you are interested in a loan to purchase Bitcoin, or if you are interested in a home refinance program to purchase Bitcoin, give us a call, 941-413-6920. We handle both of those at the club. And if you want to purchase your Bitcoin, no KYC, join the club. Everyone does. 941-413-6920. Everyone, have a great day, and I will see you guys at 3 o'clock today with Mr. Dick Allgaier. Love you guys.
Attention visionaries and pioneers, the future of wealth is here, and it's spelled B-I-T-C-O-I-N, Bitcoin. Introducing the exclusive Loans for Bitcoin program at the Bitcoin Ben Crypto Club, where your good credit unlocks 0% interest loans for up to 2 years, or term loans up to $250,000 spread over 7 to 12 years. Why wait? Use this capital to acquire the world's fastest appreciating asset, Bitcoin. With prices hovering around 94,000 and projections aiming much higher by the year's end, the time to act is now. Leverage isn't just for Wall Street anymore. Arbitrage the low cost of your loan against Bitcoin's explosive growth. It's smart finance for the modern investor. And privacy matters. Our no KYC Bitcoin purchase program ensures you buy and self-custody your assets in your own wallet. Your keys, your Bitcoin, your future. And as the world shifts to digital currencies, be ahead of the curve. Front-run corporations, governments, in this greatest financial revolution of our times. I'm Jay Bose, CEO of Bitcoin Ben Crypto Club. Call or text us today at 941-413-6920 and get started on that loan application. Secure your legacy. You will thank yourself tomorrow.